Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to remove My AI on Snapchat. First, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Then tap on Chat. Now hold My AI. Then tap on Manage Friendship. Here tap on Chat Settings. You can see that your desired option has not appeared in Manage Friendship and Chat Settings. Now hold Another Chat. Now tap on Manage Friendship. Here you can see various options. Then tap on Chat Settings. Tap on Clear from Chat Feed. Here tap on Clear. As you can see, you can remove other chats, but you cannot remove My AI. Now go to your profile and tap on Setting icon. Then scroll down and tap on Clear My AI data. Here tap on Confirm. Now go back to chats. As you can see, My AI is still visible. Then go back to the settings. Now scroll down and tap on I Need Help. Here tap on My AI. Then tap on Contact Us. From here, you can contact the Snapchat team. Soon they will contact you and fix your problem. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.